Name your favorite creators.
Oh God, that's a tough one. Myself, obviously, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Hi everyone. Today we are in conversation with Siddhi Kapoor, a journalist by profession and a creator at heart. Siddhi works with NDTV as the editorial head of Who's That 360. Hi Siddhi.
Hi Prerna, thank you so much for having me.
Siddhi is a writer and journalist, and she's been in the industry for about 20 years with brands like Hindustan Times, India Today, and Times of India. She used to run a magazine called Womenpreneur, and she also had her parenting community called Mom Imperfecto. She knows the who's who of Bollywood, fashion, art, and lifestyle, and we are hoping she spills some beans from that side also. How would you describe yourself in 3 words?
अपनी तारीफ खुद करूँ? Okay. So I thought you will do that for me. Okay, so 3 words. I think I'm very loyal. I don't switch sides very easily. So मैं सुनती सबकी हूँ, but करती अपनी. So loyal is one.
Yeah.
I'm very sorted. I don't want to get into controversies. So that is second. And third, I'm at peace with myself.
Yeah.
So I like to be a peaceful person.
And surely it's good seeing that side of you, because we've mostly seen you asking questions, and today when you're answering, the real side you is coming out. So.
I was very excited for this interview today because mostly I've interviewed people.
Yeah.
Nobody has interviewed
Yeah.
me. So I'm very happy you have started this podcast, and I'm sure you'll get some lovely stories from a lot of people.
Yeah. So Siddhi, tell us, how's it been being on both the sides, journalist and content creator?
I would say I've had the best of both. I started as a journalist, then I turned to content creation in pandemic, and then I again came back to journalism.
Right.
It was whatever content I created, it was always through the lens of being a journalist, and my content creation has always been like that, where I'm taking interviews, talking to people, telling stories of different people. So it's been fun, it's been learning, it's been a great learning experience. Content creation has given me a great platform to connect with a lot of people thanks to digital media, and journalism is my heart and soul. So yes, it's been great. I've learned a lot through both the mediums.
Right. And I think your content creation also reflects that, when you're seeing as a journalist through that lens, it comes across in the content.
Yeah, because I want to keep it that way. Where even if I'm creating a certain piece of content, my main stream profession also comes into play. So I want to make the use of both the aspects when I'm creating something.
So this is my favorite question, and it's a bit controversial, and I've been waiting to ask you this.
Okay.
So what is your opinion on the socialites turned event curators turned influencers, as they call themselves?
I really wish you had not asked me this question. It's a very controversial question, but I have a lot of thoughts on it. I'll just say it in a very crisp manner, which is don't merge the lines. Think of what suits your profile best. If you are a creator, stick to being a content creator. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. आप सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. Content creator हो, guest lister भी बन जाओ, brand campaigns भी कर लो, content creation भी कर लो. It's not possible. Stick to what works best for your profile and for your niche. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो guest listers बन रहे हैं just for the sake of money. It's very evident, but I will say do what works best for your profile.
So tell us, what's your favorite part of journalism? Is it writing articles or interviewing celebrities or something else?
I think journalism is a very diverse field, and it gives you that creative outlet. Obviously my first love is writing, so because it lets me express myself, so definitely the vote will go to writing, and I love talking to people.
So who would be in your dream interview?
So I'm a big Bollywood buff, and मेरे को ना ये जो technical side of movie making है उसका बड़ा शौक है, and I get into the technicality. So there was a time when I wanted to interview Yash Chopra. वो मेरा ड्रीम इंटरव्यू होता अगर मैं कर पाती, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं नहीं कर पाई. ही इज नो मोर. बट नाउ आई वांट टू इंटरव्यू सलमान खान फॉर ऑल द कंट्रोवर्सीज दैट ही हैज क्रिएटेड. द नेशन वांट्स टू नो कि सच क्या है, एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन हिज लाइफ. I'm very curious to have a heart to heart conversation with him. So Salman Khan is definitely. I'm trying.
Yeah. So I'm a big Bollywood buff too, and I'll be very interested in that interview.
Yes, I'm trying. If you are listening to me, then maybe he's next on the list.
Yeah. So you've written for print media, you've ruled the social media, and now you're actually on a journey acing the digital platforms. So what's next?
कुछ प्लान नहीं बनाया है. I'm just going with the flow. I've never planned my career as such, but हाँ, I do have a few things that I need to get done. I want to definitely write my autobiography, so that hopefully when it happens, अभी तो बहुत लंबा time है, तो that is one, and maybe get into TV, hopefully like the TV media. So let's see.
So journalism is one profession that's always intrigued me. Tell me the challenges you faced.
When I was doing my masters, my teacher told me that journalism is a back-breaking job. मुझे लगा ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं, बड़ा आसान है, जाके इंटरव्यू ही तो करना है, लोगों को रिपोर्ट ही तो करनी है, so it's easy. But trust me, it's a back-breaking job, and it's not even a very well-paying job. You are definitely giving more than what you are getting in return. So you have to put in a lot. In your building years of your career, you have to give in a lot. So the challenge is definitely कोई hours ही नहीं है यार. मतलब there are no fixed hours. It's not a 9 to 5 profession. You have to put in at least 12 hours. And especially with social media and digital media, it's like you're working round the clock. You're totally on your phone all the time, Instagram and YouTube and all that. So it's a profession full of challenges. But then if you love challenges, then this is a profession.
Now it's time for you to spill the beans. So you met so many celebrities. What's the one thing that you know about them that we don't know?
Yeah, honestly बताऊं, they are as normal and as grounded as you and me. पता है जब इंटरव्यू लेना होता है उससे पहले लगता है अरे यार ये तो बहुत हाई फाई होगा, हाई हेडेड होगा या होगी. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग टू देम, वो कॉन्वर्सेशन बड़ी फ्री फ्लो हो जाती है एंड यू रियलाइज अरे यार ये तो हमारे जैसे ही हैं. सो they are just as normal human beings as you and me. So I've always had a great experience talking to celebrities.
I thought you'll be spilling the beans here, but clearly you're not.
वो सबके अलग अलग हैं, कुछ secrets and gossip.
कुछ एक आधा share कर लो.
Ori is like very candid. वो कुछ he doesn't mince his words. So वो आपको वो ही बोलेगा जो आपको सुनना है. He'll give you the best video bites. So definitely a great person to interview. And और कौन? RJ Karishma I've interviewed. She is great. Sushant Rani Kohinoor.
Okay.
Oh, not politically correct at all. मतलब to the point answer देगी and
and her journey has been so amazing.
Amazing journey, and she doesn't mince her words. She will also tell you the facts as it is. So, and she's also a Bollywood insider, so she knows a lot of things. So
So Siddhi, tell me, if you were not doing this profession, what would it be?
I think I'm a writer at heart. You know that. But if I was not into journalism, then I would be a singer.
Oh.
I like to sing. I may not be a very good singer, but yeah, I'm very fond of music.
This is something new. I didn't know this about you. Lovely.
Yeah.
Tell us one funny advice that you've received as a content creator.
Stick to journalism.
So tell me, Siddhi, what title would you give to your autobiography?
Open book or something like that, because I don't have any secrets. So yeah, an open book.
I would say chai lover.
Oh yeah, I am.
Chai and conversations or
yes,
something.
Definitely.
Okay, so this is going to be fun. Name your favorite creators.
Oh God, that's a tough one. Myself, obviously, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. But yeah, jokes apart, I like Harpreet's content, Harpreet Suri, very personal and organic. Then I love RJ Karishma. Her comic timing is perfect. And Ori. I mean, he's all over the place. So yeah.
So when you consume content on Instagram, what is your personal favorite category? Is it humor or parenting or fashion or lifestyle?
Humor. I love humor. And then dance. I love dance and music reels. I just love that. So a lot of Instagram also knows that now. So all the comic and dance music reels will keep popping up on my feed. So I love watching.
So who's your favorite creator in both the categories?
Comic definitely RJ Karishma, Dharna.
Yeah.
So these two in comic, and dance. I like watching all these choreographers. Shuffle with Akanksha is a very. I love watching her profile and her dance reels.
And she's from our very own Gurgaon. So,
oh yes. She's in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
So that I love.
And how about Kusha Kapila? Any thoughts?
Kusha, I think she's doing more. She switched sides to Bollywood now.
Yeah.
So अभी थोड़ा मुझे उसका content कम दिख रहा है honestly. I would want to see a more content driven profile जो अभी मुझे नहीं दिख रहा मुझे नहीं. I'm not really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is going to be interesting. Tell us which celebrity interview is closest to your heart.
Can I name more than one?
Of course.
Okay, so one is obviously Ori because he gives the perfect answers. Then I interviewed Sumukhi Suresh. She's also a very popular content creator. I think our vibes matched a lot.
Okay.
So yeah, that's one. And then Prajakta, mostly same. It was such a heart-to-heart conversation. I think I just loved speaking to her.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Siddhi, for taking out time today and for giving us slightly controversial answers. It was a pleasure having you today.
I'm glad I could make it, and I was looking forward to it. Like I said, wishing you lots of best wishes. World ka #1 podcast ban jaye aapka, and call me again.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
So we'll be back again with a new guest. Stay tuned.